You want to have something that's really good. Crawfish meat pies, homemade remoulade sauce. And here's how I make my sauce. Little Miracle Whip. Most remoulades call for a mayonnaise and a ketchup. I don't use ketchup, so the Miracle Whip is a little sweeter. Liam Perron's Worcestershire sauce. Camp Dog, get you some hot sauce. So good. And then I top it off with some non-typical Camp Dog. This stuff is so good. Easy to make. It's going to be some good eating. If you would like to buy some of this Camp Dog seasoning, I'm going to put a code up, which is CBCC, A Country Boy Can Cook. It'll get you 20% off your orders. When you go to order it straight from Camp Dog, there'll be a spot that says, do you have a code or discount code? Put that in, that'll get you 20%. It's some really good stuff. Get you some. Tell Papa Scott I said hello.